If you're looking for a best-in-class trading platform that is safe, reliable, and fast, yet offers a digital marketplace that allows you to trade crypto, indices, FX, and commodities from a single account, while also allowing you to put your crypto to use and stake it for passive income, then look no further, as PrimexBT has that and a lot more. This platform allows you to use Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum to margin trade crypto, gold, oil, indices, FX, and more. From the convenience of your mobile device, you can trade with up to 100 times leverage on assets other than crypto such as oil and natural gas, S&P 500, NASDAQ, Euro 50, and other global indices. What's more, users can sign up to the single asset staking feature available on the platform and earn a yield on cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and USDC. Standard membership allows for daily yield payments with no extended lockups. In addition, you can increase your membership annual percentage yield by up to 2 times over a predefined period in your staking journey. Want to know what the best part about the PrimexBT platform is? The platform ships with a unique trading strategy that allows amateur traders to copy the best traders and make the same returns as they do. Sign up now through the link provided in the description section below, and be sure to use the promotion code MAKEMONEY50, as that instantly opens you access to a 7% bonus on your first deposit. So what are you waiting for? Start staking and start earning. Meanwhile, the relative strength index for XRP has moved to the oversold zone. Following the price movements entailed by Bitcoin's Elliott wave analysis, experts are putting forth a prediction that there is a likelihood that the price of XRP will stage a relief rally ahead of the upcoming Fed decision. Thanks for watching Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description. Sorry for being away for a couple of days. I have Omicron, but I'm feeling fine. Thank you for asking. According to the one-day chart for XRP, we could see that the price of this digital asset is still entangled in a definite bearish trend as Bitcoin struggles to cross above the $40,000 mark. XRP's daily chart indicates that the massive sell-off, which had plunged the entire market into its current months-long dip, fast-tracked when the price moved below its psychological support zone at 65 cents. Nonetheless, this digital asset has recently moved below the 25-day and 50-day moving averages. In contrast, the moving average convergence and divergence has moved below the unbiased level. The relative strength index, on the other hand, has also moved to the oversold zone, bearing the likelihood that XRP might be on the verge to stage a relief rally ahead of the upcoming Fed decision. When recording this video, XRP was trading at around 60 cents and replacing Solana in the 7th position across the board. And even though the price of XRP has fallen by over 70% from its all-time high of about $3.14, XRP seems to be making some serious headway amid the rigorous bearish trend, which has been in place since July last year. The coin currently trades with a total market valuation of about $29 billion. Just like the rest of the market, the price of XRP has been under pressure lately, as we can see from the chart. However, XRP's quarterly gains from 2014 to 2021 show a mean value representing a 35% increase in Q1 and a 16% increase post-2018. As such, XRP's current performance is in line with the past performance of the crypto. This makes us believe 2022 will not be exempted from the customary quadrennial bull run based on historical data. Based on Bitcoin's Elliott wave analysis, the bulls should be aware of more weakness ahead. The move down from Bitcoin's high of about 69 cents is regarded as an impulse wave recorded in a 5-wave trend that's not yet been completed. Yet very close, we're to expect another brief dip below the $35,000 mark, which would see to the completion of the impulse leg. Right after similar patterns forming in repetitive cycles that represent the predominant emotions of market participants in upward and downward swings, essentially known as the Elliott wave impulse, comes the counter trend. The ABC corrective rally points, a 5-3-5 zigzag Elliott wave structure on XRP's hourly chart that can retrace 61.8% of the impulse wave down from the high. These price movements, divided into what has come to be known as Elliott waves, adopt the idea of 3 impulses and 2 corrections from the Dow theory, but a much higher precision. From this, we could deduce why the daily price for XRP kind of broke out, coming out of the previous range of 66 cents before overall coming back down to that 60 cents range. On the 4-hour chart, we could see an increased demand right around there. I do see the price continuing down to the range, breaking out of these previous support and demand zones right around here. Following its upswing of 52,000% return on investment from January 2017 to the peak of the 2018 bull run, we can assert that XRP will stage a relief rally pretty soon. We had a little bit of an overshoot of the supply area, which I'm sure is at the least no longer valid given the price overall has started coming back down into that area. So rest assured with this trend, XRP is likely going to touch below the 55 cents margin before it could go ahead and ultimately retouch newer higher lows above 75 cents. So it looks like the daily chart is playing out with what it looks like to be a continuing dipping to the downside, breaking below that demand area right around here, but we would have to wait it out and see how that plays out. Just as XRP's daily chart also hints of a sequence of lower highs and expectation of 50% correction further down the drain, and a final target for the bears pegged at 35 cents, which is to say we're to enter into another stage 2 dump by about 50% from our weeks-long high. The warning note is short and it exits at 35 cents, and that's where you should set your stop loss if you're a bull, or place your take profit order if you're a bear. As always, don't forget to do your due diligence. These are all but speculative setups. However, always remember to use a stop loss. Do not over-leverage. I have conveniently tagged this as short since I expect a correction until we hit 35 cents, which I hope to happen before the end of Feb 2022. Summary and potential trade setup: we have a complex corrective structure and heavy resistance overhead. Also on the horizon is a sequence of lower highs. And for the measured move correction, the final take profit for the bears is 35 cents, as the bulls are expected to take over the market afterwards. It's important to note that the crypto market is fast evolving, and a dynamic one at that. The volatility of this asset class doesn't only make the task of predicting the outcome of these assets in the long term a difficult and tedious one. Given that analysis based on a few hours is highly erratic, we advise you to establish your estimates on a long-term perspective like weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly charts, as those are the same benchmarks that are summed up to measure the quarterly, yearly gains or losses of these assets. So if you're looking to add XRP to your portfolio, I think now is a perfect time, seeing as the price of this digital asset is just a little above 50 cents. That said, don't forget to do your due diligence before investing in any digital asset we discuss here, including XRP, considering the latest market trends, expert opinion, and technical analysis. But before that, check out the link to the Telegram channel in the description section below for the Lagoon auto trading bot that trades on gold 4 days a week. While earning investors signed up to the platform a minimum of 2% of their staked capital per day and between 50 to 150% per month in profit on average. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. If you have any questions, drop us a comment. We'll see you next time.
Hollywood perfect.